Stop right there. If you're currently paying 3000 rupees a month for AI video tools, you're quite literally throwing your money into a furnace. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm here to show you a math problem that nobody else wants you to solve. I know exactly what you're thinking. Heygen is the best. It's the industry standard. And you're right, it is. But why are we paying full retail prices for access that we can get for a fraction of the cost? For the last few weeks, I've been digging into the way these platforms operate. I realized that most of us are paying for brand name, not for the actual technology. I went on a hunt for a better way and I found Rocketoolz. Now, when I first saw the price, 600 rupees compared to the 3000 rupees I was paying, I was skeptical. I thought, this has to be a scam, it has to be a knockoff. So I did what any smart creator would do, I tested it. I took the exact same script, the exact same avatar, and the exact same input requirements. I ran them through the official platform and I ran them through Rocketoolz. And do you want to know what happened? Nothing. Absolutely nothing changed. The quality, identical. The rendering speed, same. The lip sync precision, perfect. The only thing that changed was the amount of money leaving my bank account. So, how is it possible?
To get started, you first need to visit the Rocket Tools website at rocketoolz.com. As soon as you open the website, you will see their dashboard. If you are new here, go ahead and register first. My account is already set up, so I will quickly log in. Now, let's talk about how to purchase this and what features you get. From the dashboard, go to the Shop section, scroll down and find Heygen. Heygen's actual monthly pricing starts at around 3,000 rupees, but here you can get it for just 600 rupees per month. With this plan, you get a daily limit of 5 video generations, and you can easily create long videos of up to 30 minutes in a single go. You can also create custom avatars from photos, though direct video custom avatars and V5 avatars will be limited. To buy it, simply click Add to Cart and complete the secure payment via UPI for instant access. After purchasing, head over to the Access Tools workspace. Here, you will see the Heygen icon. Keep in mind, this will only show up after your purchase. Now, click on Launch Heygen 1, and your Heygen dashboard will open directly. If it takes a moment to load, just wait a couple of seconds, then click Create Video to enter the AI Studio. Now let's get to the biggest secret. How do you make unlimited videos? When you go to the dashboard, you will find a video tutorial titled Bypass Heygen Limits. Watch this video carefully. It contains a secret trick that will make complete sense once you purchase the tool. Let me give you a quick hint. If you type your text script directly, you won't be able to make unlimited videos. However, if you upload your own audio file to generate the video, you can create unlimited videos without any restrictions. This trick works because they use legacy accounts that still have the older unlimited model active. So, make sure to take full advantage of this offer while it lasts. The link is in the description. Go grab your access right now. If you found this
How can a platform offer the same service for 80% less? It's simple economics. While the big corporations are spending millions on marketing, fancy offices, and corporate bloat, smaller, smarter platforms are leveraging bulk access and optimized infrastructure. They aren't paying for the overhead, which means you don't have to either. Think about what you could do with that extra 2,400 rupees every single month. That's your subscription for your editing software, your domain hosting, or even your next few months of AI tools, entirely paid for by the money you saved in just 1 month. I'm sharing this because I'm tired of seeing creators struggle. I'm tired of seeing small businesses get priced out of the AI revolution because they can't afford the premium taxes. This isn't about cutting corners. This is about being a smart entrepreneur. If you're still skeptical, that's fine. Go ahead, check the official sites, compare the features. But while you're doing that, don't forget that time is also money. Every day you wait to switch, you're paying that premium tax. If you want to stop overpaying and start investing your money back into your own growth, head over to the link in my bio. Grab the access on Rocketoolz before they realize they're making it too easy for us. Comment Rocket down below if you want me to DM you the direct access link, and I hope you get set up. Stop the bleed. Let's make your content better for way, way less.